our submissions will be seeking for the court, or the issue for us here for determination is whether the president had the authority to appoint the panel. Your Lordship, we will start by submitting on the provisions of Article 131 of the Constitution, the authority of the president. At Article 131, 1E, Your Lordship, the president is the symbol.
Yes.
The president is the symbol of national unity. At 2C, the president is supposed to promote and enhance unity of the nation.
Yes.
At 131, 2E, the president is also obligated to protect human rights, fundamental freedoms, and the rule of law. Your Lordship, if we look at the Gazette notice, Your Lordship, that is subject of this petition, yes, at the very first paragraph of it, at line number 3, the Gazette notice indicates the purpose of the panel. That is, I'll read just that line 3, to promote national healing and cohesion. Your Lordship, the formation of this panel was as a result of some activities or some things that happened in our country, which led or almost led to disharmony, disunity in the country. And as such, Your Lordship, under the obligations that the authority of the president that I've mentioned at 1.1, the president was obliged to ensure that the nation, which is a symbol of unity, to be in unity. And to do that, Your Lordship, the panel that was appointed, it was to look into the issues that happened, investigate, and come up with a recommendation which will lead to our country having harmony. Your Lordship, the provisions of Article 10 on the national values and principle of governance,
yes,
which also binds the president, at Article 10.2a, it reiterates the same, that the national unity is one of the principles of national values and principles of governance. And so yes, in the formation of the panel, Your Lordship, the president was within the Constitution in appointing the same, so that to ensure that our country is in unity and harmony, and for us to have a civil society. Your Lordship, Article 159 on the National Human Rights and Equality Commission.
Article 59.
59, yes. Has the mandate of the commission. However, among those, there is none that is on unity, national unity. And that is why, Your Lordship, Article 131 of the Constitution comes to play. Your Lordship, we beseech you to find that the president, in appointing the panel, did not violate the Constitution as the petitioners have alleged. Your Lordship, in our submission, as I conclude, we've quoted the case of Mumo Matemo versus Trusted Society of Human Rights Alliance, will wish the court to look at the same and seek that this petition be dismissed, Your Lordship. That is our...
What is the principle of Matemu that you want me to consider?
The principle is on emerging jurisprudence, Your Lordship.
That
maybe I can try to read. The court held as much of the emerging jurisprudence on integrity is still at its infancy. To advance the frontiers of jurisprudence, it is the function of the courts and other government organs and the people. So, Your Lordship, we are saying in what the president was doing, it is new things that are being done, but which are done in accordance with the Constitution. And so we should not just dismiss what the actions of the president. That is all, Your Lordship.
Thank you. You have kept much within your time.
Yes.
And you are speaking for all the respondents, right?
Yes. The Attorney General, Cabinet Secretary, and yes, and the Cabinet Secretaries.